Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a rectangular solid pyramid with the base that measures 16 and 25, which is this. It is then melted and recast into a solid square pyramid, same height. So find the length of this square pyramid. Okay, so I am first going to let x be the length of the square pyramid. Okay, now very importantly, it is the same rectangular pyramid that is melted and recast to become this. So what is the main thing? That is a very important thing. Does the volume change? Is it the same volume for these two solids? Yes. And therefore, I am going to make use of this fact that the volume of the rectangular pyramid and the volume of the square pyramid, which is the same, to help us solve this problem. Okay, so for the rectangular pyramid, half times base area. How do we find the area of a rectangle? Yep, 25 times 16. Height is h. They're given us. Half times, what's the base area of a square? X times x is x squared multiplied by the same h. Okay, and so I'm going to press my calculator. No need. I'm going to divide by 1/3 and h on both sides. So when you divide, right, you're actually dividing off the h. I divide away the h off. So I'm left with 400. This is 400 is equals to I'm left with x squared. So from here I can find my x. I just need to square root this 400 and I get my x, which is 20. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.